Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up time tracking on QuickBooks. I'm going to show you how to set up time tracking on FreshBooks. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to log their hours every time they're working for a client, and that can actually be done directly on FreshBooks. So this tutorial is going to be short, sweet, and simple, so make sure to follow it step by step all the way up until the end in order to learn how to set up time tracking on FreshBooks. So what we're going to do first is go onto our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here, and then on the left-hand side, you're actually going to see this tab called time tracking. So let's go ahead and click on that. And now with time tracking, what you're going to do is go ahead and scroll down. And this is where you're going to be able to enter new entries or start a timer. So you could actually manually add a new entry here. If you click on new entry, you can enter the client name here. So we'll just say Bright Future Corp. And then for the service, we'll do video editing and we'll say we did 1 hour. You could also add miscellaneous notes here as well. And then once you actually have the billable time that you want to input as far as time tracking goes, go ahead and click on this green check mark. So as you can see, we now logged 1 hour logged for Bright Future Corp. Now, another way to actually track time is by using the start timer button. So if you're not tracking time yourself, FreshBooks is actually able to track time for you. So if you click on start timer, this little window on the bottom right hand side is going to appear. So now it's actually starting to track your time. Now, anytime during this, you could actually go ahead and log time. So let's say, after here, 1 hour has already passed and we click on log time. You are going to need to actually select a client or project. So here we'll select Green Earth Solutions. Now the service that we're doing is video editing, and then we can add miscellaneous notes here. So we'll say Adobe Effects Work, and afterwards click on log time. So that is also how you track time using the start timer or timer tracker on FreshBooks. So that's the best way I know to actually track time on FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.